Let's start your investment journey.
Hi and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday the 7th of December. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with Chinese trade balance and also Japanese GDP Q3 data on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for Eurozone ZEW survey and also GDP Q3 figures. Going forward, Chinese consumer price index data for November and Bank of Canada rate decision and statement, in addition to the US weekly crude oil inventories, will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main economic data release is reserved for ECB interest rate decision and press conference. Also, look out for US jobless claims data in the afternoon. The week will finish on Friday with European Council meeting and US Michigan consumer sentiment for December. Now, let's take a look at few markets. Let's start with the DAX or German 30 index. DAX is currently retesting a fairly significant level of interest and a key trading level at 13,216, 13,200. That's 20 period moving average and also the cluster of these previous highs here. Also falling resistance trend line here, which was resistance and then retested as a support, and also rising support trend line. So X marks the spot. Key trading level there. As long as we see a breakout higher, bulls would require a move and a swift end of day close above these current swing highs at 13,450, potentially targeting additional resistances on the upside at 13,540, 13,630, possibly even 13,700. Alternatively, if you see a dip lower, an end of day close below 13,200, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move targeting 13,120, 13,030, 13,000 to the downside. Now let's take a look at Dow Jones. Wall Street, US 30, bullish breakout higher. We had US non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate eventually triggering this bullish breakout higher. End of day time frame is uptrending. It's currently trading above multiple moving averages and it's creating the sequence of higher highs and higher lows. The price is currently at new all-time high, very close to this intraday swing all-time high at 30,220. So key trading level at the moment is at 30,000, nice and round number. As long as that level holds and we see a pullback into 30,000 and then a rally from there, that would likely trigger additional bullishness, or a breakout above these current swing highs at 30,220 that could open the way for the continuation of this upward move. Resistances on the upside are a guesswork at the moment because this is uncharted territory, so I would add 100 points going forward for a potential resistance or a point of interest, 30,300, 400, 500 going forward. Supports are a little bit easier to identify. Dip below 30,000 and end of day close below 30,000 could open the way for a deeper corrective move targeting additional downside supports at 29,850, 29,680, possibly even 29,500 to the downside. This is euro dollar in end of day time frame, a nice bullish breakout higher. We have US dollar weakness across the board. Euro finally closed above psychologically important 1 spot 20. That's a key trading level going forward. Pullbacks to 120.60 or 120 and a rally higher would further fuel this bullishness, or a breakout above these current swing highs could open the way for the move higher, targeting additional resistances at 122, 122.60, 123 to the upside. Alternatively, if we see a pullback and an end of day close and a loss of 1 spot 20, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting additional supports at one spot 1970, possibly even around here 20 period moving average at one spot 1925. Let's take a look at cable now. Cable appears to be really nice and bullish. We're seeing some positivity surrounding the price action, which is currently trading above multiple moving averages 20, 50, 200, supported by rising trend line, creating higher highs and higher lows. Key trading level going forward is at this breakout level or a swing high at 133.80, pullback to 133.80 and a breakout higher, or a gradual move and a breakout above 135.40 could open the way for the continuation of this upward move, targeting 136, 137.40 resistances on the upside. Alternatively, if we see a pullback and a loss of the current lows down here at one spot 33.80, that could open the way for a gradual move lower, deeper corrective move, potentially targeting this rising support trend line at one spot 33, possibly even one spot 32.60 to the downside. Lastly, let's take a look at dollar Japanese yen. Dollar yen under pressure. It's downtrending quite nicely. Apologies. So dollar yen is downtrending quite nicely, capped by multiple trend lines. The current price is below 20, 50 and 200 period moving averages. Key trading level going forward for dollar yen is at 104.40, 104.50. Bears are in complete control below that level, so rally into that level and a rejection to the downside or a gradual move lower. Loss of these current lows at 103.50, 103.60 could open the way for a deeper corrective move to the downside, basically an extension of this selling pressure, targeting support at 103.20, 103, 102.80. Alternatively, if we see a rally from 104.40, a breakout above that level, that could create a short squeeze, targeting additional resistance at 105, which would be a retest of this falling resistance trend line in end of day time frame, and a retest of a fairly significant round number as a challenge for this bearish continuation. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.